Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Olympiad Edge. Hopefully you are will be fine. Today we are going to solve a very nice radical equation which is given as 256 divided by 16 minus 255 square root and whole square root. We have to simplify this. So to solve this first we will rationalize the denominator of this, and for this we will multiply and divide the conjugate term, that is changing the sign of the denominator, and we will get 256 times 16 minus square root of 255 multiply by 16 plus square root of 255 over 16 plus square root of 255, that is this is the denominator, and conjugate of this is changing the sign, and multiplying and dividing, this is the rationalization process of the denominator. And now we will basic mathematical formula which is given as a square minus b square is equal to a minus b times a plus b here in the denominator, and numerator term will simply multiply, that is 256 times 16 plus square root of 255 over, this will become 16 square minus square root of 255 whole square and whole square root. Now again simplifying this, we will get 256 times 16 minus square root of 255 divided by 16 square is equal to 256 minus this square will cancel out with this square root, and we will get 255 here. So we get this. Now again simplifying, we can write 256 as 16 square times 16 minus square root of 255 over, here we will get 1 and whole square root. Now separating the square root of the numerator term, we will get 16 square root times square root of 16 minus square root 255. Now this square will cancel out with the square root, and we will get 16 here, and in the square root we will multiply and divide by 2 to 16 minus square root of 255 over 2. We are doing this to make a complete square inside the square root. As we know that whenever we have to solve a term inside the square root, we will go towards a complete square, so that we will cancel the square with the square root. So for this purpose we will use a trick here to complete the formula. We will multiply and divide with 2. Now we will multiply these 2 inside the bracket, and we will get, this is the 16, 32 minus 2 times 55, 255 whole square root, and simultaneously we separate the square root of denominator and numerator term, and we get this here. Now this will become 16 divided by square root of 2 times 32 plus 2 times square root of 255. Here there is a plus term, from here there is a mistake, this is plus, so it will be plus, and here also a plus, this is 16 plus again plus and plus, So this is the positive term here. Now to further solve this, we will factorize this 255. So 255 can be factorized as, we will divide it on 3. 3 8s are 24, 15, 3 5s are 15, and again we will divide it on 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 sevens are 35 and 17 ones are 17. So the factors of 255 are as, 255 is equal to 3 times 5 times 17, or we can write it as 5 into 3 is equal to 15 times 17. So putting this value of 255 here in the above equation, we will get this 16 over square root of 2, 16 over square root of 2 times 32 square root plus 2 times square root of 25 plus 2 times square root of 25, and 25 is equal to 15 times 17. So it will become 15 times 17. Now solving this, uh, we will get 16 over square root of 2 and square root of this 32 can be divided into 15 plus 17, which is equal to 32, and it is in accordance with this to complete the square. Plus 2, here we can break the square root and we can write 15 square root separately times 17 square root. Now we can see that it is almost the form of square formula. Now to make a complete square, we will write this in a square form. That is 15 can be written as square root of 15 whole square. This square will be cancelled with the square root and we will again get 15 here. Similarly, we can write 17 as square root of 17 and whole square plus 2 square root of 15 times square root of 17 and whole square root. Now we can see that it is a proper form of famous mathematical formula, which is given as a plus b square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here this is the a square, this is b square, 2 times a and b. So it is the complete formula. Now we can write it in a closed format as 16 over square root of 2 and square root, this can be written as square root 15 plus square root 17 whole square. Now this square will cancel out with this square root and we will get 16 over square root 2 times square root of 15 plus square root of 17. Now to solve it, we will rationalize this square root of 2 as 16 times square root of 2 over square root of 2 times square root of 2 into square root of 15 plus square root of 17. Now this will become 16 square root of 2 and this square root 2 times square root 2 will become 2 times square root of 15 plus square root of 17. Now these two will cancel out with this 16 and we will get 18. So 8 times square root of 2 times square root of 15 plus square root of 17. Now this square root will multiply with the inside the bracket and we will get 8 times square root of 15 times square root of 2 plus square root of 17 times square root of 2. Now it will become 8 times 30 square root plus 34 square root. After multiplying this 2 with 15 and this 2 with this 17, we get this, and this is the simplest form of the given statement and which we want to. So the final answer is this is equal to 8 times square root of 30 plus square root of 34. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. And after watching this video, if you have any other easy solution of this question, please share with us in comment section. Thank you.